Well, hey there. Welcome back and welcome to my review of Hijack'd. My name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and I'm going to be talking about this Hijack'd software. It's pretty amazing. It certainly saves a wealth of time, and speaking of wealth, you can become wealthy based upon the principles that this thing works on here. I am actually in the members area here, and we're going to come back and go through this. There's a lot here. Let me first show you how to get here. And what I mean by that, to get to my bonus page. So watching this from YouTube, please click beneath this video that says get my exclusive bonuses and Hijack'd here. Click the link and it will take you to where we are now. Now, of course, I do have some bonuses that I'm going to give to you for picking up Hijack'd today. And so we're going to talk about this a little bit, but first let me go ahead and ask that you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the thumbs up and click the bell. Thank you very much. All right. So Hijack'd, brand new $2.7 billion loophole. It pays $997 or more per day for simply copying and pasting something online. And it's actually, not a lot of copying and pasting here. And so when you're ready to go ahead and pick up your copy, you can pick on click on any of the red banners, on my bonus page here, and that will take you over to your secure checkout, where we can go ahead and pick up your copy here. And so what is Hijack'd all about? Let's hop on over to take a look at the program here. Okay, so this is the members area. This is your dashboard, and so right here you have your start here kind of welcome video here, and we will go to let's click on the dashboard. Maybe that was the main dashboard page. Yep, it was. Okay, and so you'll click on this to get started here. All right, it gives you a nice intro, and then you have your tutorials. This takes a moment for each page to load on my side here. So it takes you to your bonus YouTube content, and to start off, the overview of it. But there are multiple videos on this page. So you have your overview, then your integrations. You'll want to or need to integrate your autoresponder. You can do that here. If you don't have an autoresponder yet, you have a free trial for one here, and then your tutorial on how to go through and connect it. All right, and of course then you have your Hijack'd social sharing tutorial, your delivery tutorial, how to create more affiliate campaigns. We'll talk about that using the upgrades if you choose that, and then your bonus builder. This video will show you how to set up your page using Super Affiliate Builder, as well as discussion on the strategies and what else is essential for success. Okay. You have some mini web classes, you have traffic strategies, you have more traffic strategies, you have more traffic strategies, and then you have this affiliate traffic tutorial here, which is pretty good. Some more bonus content, another 10K a month blueprint tutorial, Ultimate Commissions Club, a lot of information on this, but of course, most importantly for this are the tutorial videos of Hijack'd here. And then we go over to our campaigns, and we're gonna start here because what this does is that it creates landing pages, for you, for the high ticket offers that you select, and it does let me show you. This is really cool. So let's click on your campaigns here. Now Hijack'd does come with some built-in campaigns for you, and you have the ability to add additional ones. So let's take a look at this passive income to show you how what happens here. So so let's click on publish, and it will show you what your squeeze page is, and basically all these will send your prospects to a webinar URL. Now remember, it's a webinar URL because these are high ticket offers, anywhere from $900 to $1,500, $1,800 or more, and of course, your 50% commissions, can easily be $800, $900 depending upon the program. Okay, and then the download page URL. And so if we take a look at these, and we're going to take a look at them, you have your you can get your embed codes, your download pages and download all right. And so if you want to view them, let's take a look at what that page looks like for this particular product. This is the sales page. It's pre-made for you, and these actually come from what's it called? Oh my God, ClickBank. These are all on ClickBank, but it puts it all together for you here. And so here, is the pitch. Save my spot. So if the person decides, I'm going to go ahead and leave the page, maybe I'll come back later. When they go to leave the page, the webinar page pops up. So once again, they lose out on their little freebies. You don't collect their email up front, but once again, you have your webinar page that pops up again. Gives them another spot. Has some some time limitations on it there, and they have can once again go ahead and listen to the survey. Listen to the webinar because it is ready to go. All I got to do is click play. And of course, when they attempt to leave the page, then the pop up for like, hey, wait before you go. If you stay till the end of the training, you're going to get these, bonuses, these gifts that I had promised for you. And so you can click on let's continue and go ahead and click on that, but if you try to leave the page, it's going to pop up again. And so you can go ahead and, not worry about that. All right. And so, let's go backwards here. I think okay. So let's get back to the to the dashboard here. Okay, and so you get campaigns with one of the upgrades. You get some bonus campaigns here that are also added, and these are all done for you. Now, if you wanted to add your own campaign, and let's go through this to show you what all that you're going to need. So this is offers, high ticket offers through, well, they can actually be through ClickBank or other services, but basically you're going to give your campaign a title, you're going to choose your colors, the important thing, you're going to put your affiliate links in here, you're going to answer whether you're going to put in these gifts or not. Application link, your squeeze page settings, as far as the text across your bar, your headline, your sub-headline, you're going to enter all that. Now remember, these are the ones that you're building yourself here. So all of these, all the information you would have, your GIF file, which is optional, and your GIF URL, of course, if you have the GIF itself, the timer that you want to put on there for that scarcity, and of course your exit redirect option. Of course you want to choose yes if you want to follow the same process. That is working, and then your webinar URL. So if you have a webinar that is not listed there, maybe your own. If you put together your own webinar, you're going to put that here, and then you're going to put your timer and information in there. You're going to create now, and it will be added to your campaigns. All right. And so, oops, come on, John, what's going on here? All right. So and of course, I showed you your bonus campaigns. We're for that's your done for you. Your affiliate link. You get your campaign links and your bonus links here. Now, and so this is built with free traffic in mind. So you have no need to spend money, for traffic, especially if it's not in your budget. And so basically here, you're going to click this watch play. It's only 2.5 minutes, but basically it's going to take you through the steps. You need to follow these steps. For one, you're going to register for Affiliate Traffic Lab. That is a free traffic program provided by Glenn, the creator of Hijack'd here, that he is sharing with you. All you got to do is register to get it. And then step number 2 is you're going to activate the traffic app, and their traffic apps 1, 2, and 3, and then activate more free traffic here. You click on that to activate that. And then you have your free traffic training here. So you click on that link and that will open up your training. And so you're going to submit your link that you registered for your free traffic. And there's just more and more on traffic in here. And then you have your bonuses that you're going to download and everything. Zero cost business. That is a long ebook type tutorial that has tons of resources listed in it. And I think I had opened it up earlier here. That's this commission toolbox, and it just has tons and tons. I'm just scrolling. I'm about 1/5 of the way through it, and it takes you literally through everything. I briefly ran through this. Everything is still very pertinent, even though this was put together originally in 2016. I'm only halfway down here. I mean, it just takes you through everything, and then the resources, once you get to those. That's a third more of it. So you start with all these resources, on everything: surveys, email management, emails, everything, social media, and all the way down to the end of the page, all these resources and links to these resources. So a wealth of information that in itself, is worth the price of picking up Hijack'd. You buy that, you get Hijack'd for free, basically. So, and then you have access to your upgrades. If you didn't take advantage of that on the front end, you can go ahead and do that there. You can click the upgrade there, if you know which one you want. And that's what that's about. So let's go back. I know this is going a little bit longer than what I wanted it to be. So basically just gonna cover what we just went over already. So Hijack'd, all-in-one solution for effortless 3-figure commission, cloud-based software. It's simple, it's easy to scale. It's a game changer. Can you do all this yourself? Yes. How long would it take you? Probably 20 times longer, if not more than that. And plus, you're getting these resources, already. You're getting these seminars all put together for you. This is invaluable. The software builds your 2 pages that combines, for sky high conversions. Generation page offers both a free giveaway and a free training session, which appeals to a much wider audience. Done for you sales page features free training webinar. Everything happens automatically without you lifting a finger. It's all done while you sleep, eat, and do other things. All right. New subscribers are actually added to your email list and taken straight to the done for you sales page. Cutting edge. And so there are some one-time offers that are offered here. Of course, everything that that we talked about, on the front end, $17, and I do believe on the sales page there is a pop-up that will give you a few dollars off. So $17 right now at max for the front end. Then you have the unlimited version for $37 on the down sale. Then you have the 100% done for you, for $47. Then you can get the unlimited traffic. And by the way, you know, it's in the dashboard. Didn't have time to go through every single bit. There's a lot that's being given to you, and one of the offers that are being offered to you is free traffic from Glenn's traffic pool, you know, himself. You know, very valuable. These are not like dead leads or anything like that. So, and he's offering those to you, you know, at no additional cost. All right, so automation for $37, the ATM for $47, the ultimate package for $47, and license rights to sell this as your own and keep 100% of the profits for $37. Now, there was no information at the time that I had put together my bonus page here about what the ATM and the ultimate package is all about, but those will be presented to you. For one, you know, once you buy you know, Hijack'd to begin with, otherwise I guess it doesn't really make a difference. But yeah, they'll be explained in full. So basically, you know, work from home, free buyer traffic, daily commissions, 100% cloud-based, beginner and newbie friendly, first ever high ticket app, you know, of its kind, and of course instant commissions, so you're not having to, you know, to wait for your results. Satisfaction guaranteed, you know, 30-day money back, and I have this titled wrong. It's not actually a demo video, but it's kind of like a sales video, you know, hyping you up, telling you what you can get, you know, with Hijack'd here. Feel free to go ahead and watch that. That's on my bonus page. It'll be there for a while. And again, at any time, go ahead and click any of the red banners on my page. Go ahead and pick up your copy. And last but not least, you know, the bonuses that I'm offering to you to pick up Hijack'd today. And so bonus number 1 is called Cleopatra. It's a breakthrough app that finds and monetizes free traffic from an untapped source of a 500 million buyers. Bonus number 2 is YT Velocity, set and forget buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. Bonus number 3 is called Accelerate. This system generates $1,000 days without spending a dime. So free traffic on that. And bonus number 4, bonus tutorial called TweetX, and of course this makes $476 a day with just a couple of minutes of activation, and of course that's from Twitter users. And bonus number 5 is all of the bonuses that Hijack'd, that Glenn Kosky and the Hijack'd team are giving to you today, and they are a plenty. Didn't have time to go through them all, sorry about that. So once again, red banner, take you over to get it. It's being sold through the Warrior Plus platform. And let me go ahead and call it a day on this. I certainly appreciate you staying to the end and watching my review of Hijack'd. Hopefully it is something that is of interest to you, and that you'll go ahead and pick up today. So that is it, and I'm going to go ahead and sign on out of here. But as always, to your success.